The different roles of chemicals during the car wash process. When it comes to car wash chemicals, it's not one size fits all. Different products and chemical formulations are needed to perform the various cleaning functions. 1. Pre-wash. The pre-wash function softens dirt, organic matter, grease and road grime, so it can be easily removed during the wash process. 2. Wash and rinse. Special chemical additives lubricate brushes so paintwork and other delicate surfaces are protected. Foam levels protect equipment and car surfaces. Conditioners ensure the vehicle surface responds to drying agents. This results in a shinier, drier car. 3. Wax, polish and dry. Quality chemicals ensure a fast and uniform drying process, avoiding marks. Waxes and protectants ensure long-lasting shine, protection and water beading. To discuss how chemicals can enhance wash quality whilst improving your operating costs, contact our specialists for advice. Good Site, leading installers and suppliers of vehicle wash equipment in Australia since 1968. Visit goodsite.com.au.